This is for kittens, a card game for people who are into kittens exhibitions and laser beams, and sometimes goats. It says here, number 1, most basketball ever. It's to line up, to let it play, to learn, to mean to play. The box itself will see what's in. Imploding kittens. For the little kittens. This is good for you. Got the cards about the game. Can rate silence. Do you have friends, family? Do you have the app? Apple, Android. Don't think about this. The other reviews free. Well, that thanks. The code Bullet Ring Pillar 549. Rules. On the back it says, "Hey, don't read the rules. We need to play how to play a game." Sort of video. Here are all the cards. Part 1 and part 2. I'll take out part 1 first for all you kids. Ooh. This is Skip. Don, a portal cheetah butt. Nope. I know near the door, so we can try and kick. Attack, find a crab pole. Favorite, take out your friend, weird thing on the front boat. Attack, pterodactyl, and so on and so forth. All until attack is Lord of his future with a unicorn, which is totally fake. Pooh. So anyways, got friends on like the Rainbow Raffle Cat, or the Rainbow Raffle Cat, or Taco Cat, or Taco Cat, or Favor. Sorry. See, these two had a pair of it. So here's Favor. It gets laid by party squirrels. There's Skip, the future, attack, and so on and so forth. This is the unboxing video of Exploding Kittens. This is the best game on planet Earth. Obviously. So, comment down below if you like Exploding Kittens. And tell me what this card is. Anywho, subscribe to my channel. Click on down below. Share everything I want with your friends. And I will give you an orange approved comment. See you later.